Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am in Scotland and I am taking you to Glenfiddich Distillery, a whiskey manufacturing company, and from here whiskey is exported world over. This is a parking place, and as we walk towards the factory, around the factory you can see beautiful flowers. There is a pond and ducks also in this pond. Here is the entrance, and as we enter here we can buy the tickets, and here you can see the photographs of the whole family, and this is a family business for them. These are the barley seeds. These are the big containers where these seeds are cleaned and then fermented. The whole family is into this business since many generations. In this room you can see many wood containers, big containers where the processing of this whiskey is done here. Here you can see the family photograph who are into this business, the whole family. You can see how big this container is, and I'll show you from outside also. The container is very big. This is wooden container where different processing of this whiskey is done in these containers. This is another section where now the final product is produced here, and you can see after this final process, when this whiskey is finally done. It is stored in wooden containers for 12 years. So the color of this whiskey is obtained from the wood, and it is kept there at least for minimum 12 years. Some are kept for more than 12 years, 18 years, 21 years, and the cost depends upon how long it is kept. And these containers, wooden containers, are kept in the warehouse. This is the warehouse from outside. We can't take the video inside. Now we are again going inside to taste the whiskey. This is the sitting area where we can taste the whiskey, and here few paintings are kept, and it is decorated beautifully, this place. Here you can see 4 varieties: 12 years, 18 years, 21 years old bottles. This Glenfiddich whiskey has this deer symbol, and they have made this deer with glass. This is the washroom, and here this washroom is very beautifully constructed and designed. Now I am again back to the parking area. Here you can see around this parking area. It's very big. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on travel and art. Keep watching. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.